How to subscribe to HBO Max. Hi everyone, welcome back into our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can subscribe to our channel, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to subscribe to our channel, it's very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then make sure to launch the HBO Max application here. Once you launch the HBO Max app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where what you need to do in order to subscribe, you just have to tap the subscribe now option here. And first of all, it'll ask me to select a plan. So you have got with ads, or ad free, or unlimited ad free, or ultimate ad free, and so on. Depending upon whatever you like, you can choose a monthly plan and you can also choose a yearly plan. And selecting that, you can just tap on the continue option over here. Once I select a specific plan, I'll just tap the continue. Next step will require me to create an account. By the way, if you have an account, you can log in, but if you don't, you can simply choose to enter your email address, confirm your email address, enter your password, first name, last name, just tap the create account option. Once you go ahead and then tap on the create account option, verify your email, verify your payment method, and after that you'll successfully get HBO Max subscription. This way you'll be able to subscribe to HBO Max. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.